Yes, yes, I am. I am the queen of my life. Hey dear unique, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. What I see in myself is the desire to make a mark in this beautiful world, in this wonderful world, wonderland. So put away emotions, put them aside. You know, I want to tell you something. Someday we all move on. And when we do I really want to stay in a dark land, in a small city with humans without humanity? 99% of these people, in dark land? Or do I want to celebrate amazing the life I meant for? I chose to be a queen, a wonderful queen. I chose power over weakness. You know, this part of my journey is over now, but a new chapter is just beginning. I know I can be a wonderful queen, and the beautiful world shows me how. I made myself better step by step by going forward, by following my desires, my goals, my dreams, and experiencing life, by having new experiences, new results. Yes, I can be a wonderful queen. I am a beautiful and wonderful queen of my life. Yes, I am. Love you so much. Thanks for watching my videos. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Ashe. Amira. Rani. Bye.